First Farm Credit Services, your first choice for agriculture lending, for crop insurance, for real estate appraisals, for home loans. First Farm Credit Services is a leader in the agriculture lending industry. The cooperative is part of the nationwide farm credit system, one of the most reliable and dependable sources of funding for farmers, ranchers, agribusinesses, and investors in rural America for nearly 100 years. The farm credit system was created in 1916 when President Woodrow Wilson signed the Federal Farm Loan Act. The act established a cooperative system farmers could use to access the funding needed for long-term farm real estate loans.
I am not leading this fight as a matter of aesthetic pleasure. I am leading because somebody must lead, or else the fight would not be made at all.
Although the names of the organizations have changed over time, the mission is still the same: to provide sound and dependable credit to farmers in rural America. As the financial needs of farms, agribusinesses, and rural Americans have changed, Farm Credit has been there with specialized services that fit those needs. Today, there are more than 80 farm credit institutions serving clients. The system provides approximately 40% of the credit needed by those who live and work in rural America. First Farm Credit Services is among the largest farm credit institutions in the United States, serving farmers and agribusinesses in the northern 42 counties of Illinois through 17 branch locations. First Farm Credit Services is committed to being the premier and dominant provider of relationship-based financial solutions for their clients. First Farm Credit Services is committed to serving family farms, commercial farming operations, agribusinesses, and investors in rural America, with nearly 12,000 clients and about 23,000 loans. Nearly 47% of their clients are involved in corn and soybean operations, while other main segments include landlords, swine operations, and grain elevators. However, almost every type, size, and scope of operation can find a product or service offered by the association to fit their financial or risk management needs. First Farm Credit Services focuses on providing clients with exceptional service, growing as their clients grow, maintaining financial strength, and having highly skilled team members with a passion for agriculture. As part of their values, First Farm Credit Services strives to serve and create value for client owners. Respect, empower, and leverage teams and team members. Take intelligent risks. Challenge each other so they can learn and change. And celebrate clients' success, the cooperative success, and have fun together. The more than 260 team members and 16 board members bring First Farm Credit Services commitment, focus, and values with them every day from the office to the fields. Together, they are committed to serving rural Illinois and agriculture. At First Farm Credit Services, their commitment, focus, and values support a growing and prosperous agricultural economy. Each and every day, the association is committed to being the premier and dominant provider of relationship-based financial solutions for their clients. This is why First Farm Credit Services strives to be your first choice for agriculture lending, for crop insurance, for real estate appraisals, for home loans,